In this video, I'm going to show you how you can share your Canva design with other people so they'll be able to view and edit the design. So this works great if you're working in a team and you want to send over a template to someone in your team. So here I've got Canva open, I've got a YouTube thumbnail open, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this as a template and I'm going to share this design with somebody else, right? So I want to then go to share in the top right hand corner, and here you can see share this design. Now what we can do is we can give people access to this design who are perhaps in our team so they can make changes and edit this design. So what you need to do is you need to go ahead and you can either invite people or you can get a collaboration link. So these are the two options. It's up to you which one you follow. For this video, I'm just going to type in an email and invite someone. So you want to enter in their email here. Once you've entered in their email, you can choose whether you want them to be able to edit the file, comment on the file, or view the file. I'm going to keep it on edit because I want them to make changes. You can also add a message. So I might want to put something like, here is the YouTube thumbnail template. And I can also choose whether I want to create a team with this person by switching to Canva for Teams. But I'm not going to cover that in this video. We're just going to leave that unchecked. Then click send. Now it's going to send an email to that person with an invitation link. And this is what this invitation link will look like. It will have your name of your file and it will say whoever you are invited you to see this design. Your recipient will then click open in Canva and they then should be able to see this design. Now from there, as long as they've got a Canva account, or if not, it will prompt them to create one. From there, they'll have full access to this Canva design. They'll be able to edit and make changes and also save this. So I hope that quick video did help you out. That's how you can share your Canva design with someone else via email.